What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, your girl NCP, and today I'm gonna try out a thing which I've been actually planning to do for a long time, but I had no idea how. But let's break the bubble. I'm gonna try a super time makeup tutorial. Yes, and that's it. I love looking tan, but at times, I look horrible looking tan. But I thought maybe I'll just give it a try. Let's try out, because as you know, this is a try out video, right? Because we try out things together. Sometimes, God knows, even you guys maybe wanting to look tan, but when you go for it and everything's like, yeah, whatever. So without any further ado, let's start with the video. So for this thing, today I'm be applying a foundation which I recently got from Nykaa. It's a foundation by Maybelline Fit Me, and it's in the shade Spicy Brown. Okay, it's 338. Ladies. And okay, I need to find my clutcher. Okay, the reason why I'm looking here and around is because I'm in my bed. Okay, and I usually keep things in my bed and I do my makeup. Yeah, I know it's lazy, but that's how I do it. So I've already applied guess what, a cream. Okay, it's my favorite cream, and sometimes I apply it before I apply primer or before I apply Vaseline, petroleum gel. That's when my skin is super dry. And let me show you guys, is this cream. Okay, it's White Perfect Magic White by L'Oreal. Works. So the next thing that I'm gonna be using is the primer, and the primer is by L'Oreal. Okay, let me show you guys. Okay, this is what the fuck is this? It is. Sometimes it's totally up to you girls, if you want to use primer or you want to use a very good moisturizer, it's up to you. But for this look, I'm gonna be trying a primer. I don't know why, but my heart is saying use a primer. It's better if you use a primer. So okay, so the amount of primer I got in my face, this big face of mine. Oh yes, of course, I've already done my eyes. Okay, not done literally, I've just applied the eyelashes. I've done my eyebrows, but I have not applied any eyeshadow or done anything wow with it. It's just depends if I want to do it or I just want to keep it like this. So I'm just gonna stop talking, do the work here. Okay, I need my and a little bit left here in my forehead. Okay, so as I showed you the foundation which I'll be using the sponge, a beauty sponge, or what they call it, a blender, beauty blender, sponge, whatever. It's not a sponge ball. Okay, so I'm gonna be using okay, so that's the amount. Okay. Oh my god, I'm scared. Okay, let's see, because I'm doing this thing for the first time. Ooh, oh my god. Oh, don't fall, babe. Oh my god. Okay. Okay. And okay. Okay. And okay. Oh, wow. It's not dewy. I asked for dewy, but they sent me matte poreless, I guess. Yes, I'm just gonna oh wow. Ooh. I like it. Some in my ears so that looks natural. Maybe down my neckline as well. Okay. Let me get rid of this stupid name. Okay. Some in my ears. Okay. I gotta stop saying okay, okay. I basically just shut up, you know. Because I'm gonna use my fingers to apply on my eyelids. So then just look natural. I nearly said it's natural, I said natural. Lateral, whatever I was about to say. Oh my god. Do you see a difference? I should have done this thing, you know, before I did this damn thing. I should have done... Oh, fuck, man. Sorry for the language, but I am dumb as fuck at times. And mind you, this whatever video is not for kids. Don't watch it. I should have a disclaimer, you know. At times cussing, so kids not supposed to watch it. So let me give you a close-up look. Okay, let's zoom. Oh, there. Oh my. Oh my. I think I should get a little bit over here, kind of, because I don't want to redo it again. No, that would be horrible. Ooh, a little bit in this area, or I think my nose is okay. So the next thing I'm going to be using is the concealer, and I think I'll use this one. It's by Maybelline, and it's in the shade of, I think it's caramel. It's caramel 40. Okay. That's all the focus. Hide the spots. Hide the spots. I hate my pigmentation on top. Take my pigmentation away, but stay away from the sun, ladies. Just stay away from the sun. That's what I want. I know what I want. Some of it here. So the next part is highlighter, and instead of using fan brush, I'll use this brush. Just the area more than anything else. Yeah, my T-zone. Okay, and I'll be using the same brush to highlight my nose, the bridge of my nose, I mean, like, ooh, hold it this way, girl, you hold it this way. And for the record, please don't highlight it too much, like on the bridge of the nose, if you're going out in the broad day sunlight, because it's gonna pop, it's gonna shine. The whole attention will be on your nose. So I think I'm pretty much done here. And the other thing which I have to do is my lips. So, okay, let me come closer. I don't know. Actually, I got this two lipsticks from Nykaa. I wanted to try it out. And it's very affordable. It's like $2.99. I am now Indian rupees. And I just happen to love it. But I think I'll be using this wake up makeup. Okay? It's like it's beautiful. And like the shade is beautiful. Okay. Just let me show you what it looks like in mine. Should I lip line or lip line or whatever? I think I should. But I'll be using my eyeshadow palette instead of the lip liner. That's what I usually do because I usually get all shades here. Oh my god, you can see the ring light. Oh my god. Okay, fine. So I'll be using this brush, the very small brush though. You can use it forever, like for whatever. I don't know what I'm running today. It's okay. Okay. So just gonna be using this shade for my lips. Ooh, it's dark. Wow. I'm a bitch. I'm not a bitch, I'm a very nice person. Just over here. Here. Okay. Remember back in the days when aunties and all used to walk like this? And me, never imagined my life that I would do this. Yes. Because I was a tomboy. And I still am a tomboy. Huh? Okay, is this? No, this is not the one. Okay, this is the one. Okay, where's my mirror? I don't know if it's gonna work out. As you know, this is the entire video we'll try. Yeah? You know how I'm trying, right? I mean, like, I usually use eyeshadows as my lipsticks. I've not used eyeshadow as a lip liner, and this lipstick as a lipstick. What about like this lipstick's like super creamy? Wow. Love it. Ooh, okay. That's a bit more. That's not big. So this is the look. That's it. Okay. So I hope you guys liked it, and I won't be doing anything with my eyes because the eyelashes has, like, you know, it's super dramatic and it will definitely hide everything. No point. So this is it. Okay, anyways, enough of the posing. Thank you so much for tuning in, and do be, I don't know why I'm rambling today, I'm sorry. Thank you for tuning in, and if you're new to this channel, please do not forget to give me a like, please subscribe, comment down below, and push the notification bell so that you get notified every time I post a new video. And that's it for today. This is my tan look. I hope you girls liked it. I hope you girls did see any kind of difference. No, not that dramatic. It's like simple. This is what you can like definitely wear. Just go outside, right? You don't have to be that dramatic. Dramatic makeup is for brides. Yeah, they have to look. But if you look like, if you go on wearing a makeup like a bride, broad day sunlight, girl, you got to go. Anyways, that's it. So remember, my ladies, my bebecitas, my mamacitas, my sisters, we're here to glow, not to get low. So keep smiling, be safe for me, and be here next time until I pop up with another video. Till then, come here, give me a kiss.